This is how it all began. I was so ready for my first Repticon this year, all because I wanted to bring home my first ball python. I had done tons and tons of research, like for real, hours upon hours about humidity, hides, temperatures, and how to make a good tank so a snake could be super happy. I waited 2 years for this. When I got to Repticon in Tampa, and when I saw her, everything just clicked. She was the tiniest, cutest pied morph ever, all pumpkin orange and bright white. So of course, I nicknamed her Pumpkin Pied. Her real name is Cruella, but she's way too sweet for that whole villain name, so I call her Crew. Bringing her home felt like the coolest adventure ever. Crew was so chill for the very beginning. She wrapped around my wrist like she already knew she was mine. She's eaten with me twice so far, and she eats like a total princess. I mean, seriously, she swallows her whole pup in one go, like it's nothing. Every time she finishes, she looks around like she deserves a crown. And honestly, she kind of does. We even had an adoption party, so my whole family could meet her. Yeah, this thing. And guess what? They all loved her instantly. Crew showed up. How sweet she is, cuddling up and staying calm, even with everyone watching. Now it feels like we're a real team, ready for so many adventures together. And I'll be sharing every single one of them with you, right here on Creature Curiosities. Boop. That's my girl.